Filipino Bulletin, information and inspiration with Jonas Macalaguing.
And now, the information. Mga kaibigan, sa sinabi ko na November 14, ang Thanksgiving natin sa lahat ng nanalo sa ating, at saka, hindi lang, at saka Thanksgiving for the organization, Filipino-Australian organization dito sa Gold Coast. Saka itong mga announcement natin para sa lahat ito, hindi lamang sa ating mga opisyalis, kundi sa lahat ng mga membro sa Filipino-Australian community dito sa Gold Coast. Pakitawag lang kay Presidente Pinky Huerto sa telepono 0414949581 o hindi ba sa aking telepono 55798-381. And now, the inspiration. Mga kaibigan, sinabi ko na sa inyo na ang ating inspiration ay galing palagi sa Daily Bread. Saka ngayon, ang title ng ating inspiration ay Just the Right Amount. Ang sabi ng Matthew 6:11, Give us this day our daily bread. So ito ang istorya. This is the story. A woman who prepared meals for hungry farm workers during the harvest season would watch them consume every bit of food on the table. Then she'd say, "Good, I fixed just the right amount." Many of us struggle to feel that way about the resources entrusted to us. At the end of a meal or the end of a month, do we really believe that God has given us enough? When we pray, "Give us this day our daily bread," that is in Matthew 6:11, how much do we expect God to supply? As much as we want or as much as we need? Health experts say that a key to good nutrition is eating until we feel satisfied, not until we are stuffed full. In every area of life, there is a difference between genuine hunger and having a greedy appetite. So often, we want just a little more. In Jesus' teaching on prayer, he said, "Your Father knows the things you have need of before you ask him. Therefore, do not worry, saying, 'What shall we eat?' or 'What shall we drink?' or 'What shall we wear?'" You can read that in Matthew chapter 6, verse 8 to, and also 31, verses 8 and 31. Now, as the Lord supplies our needs, perhaps we should see his provision from a new perspective and determined to express our thanks by saying, "Father, you give me just the right amount." There's a saying that when it's time to breath a prayer of thanks, don't hold your breath. I will say it again. When it's time to breath a prayer of thanks, don't hold your breath. Mga kaibigan, itong kaibigan ninyo, Jonas Macalaguing, at saka pakinggan natin itong awitin natin na ang title is "You Are My Hiding Place."
You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, you are hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you. I will trust in you. Let the weak say I am strong in the strength of my Lord. You are my hiding place. You always fill my heart with songs of deliverance. Whenever I am afraid, I will trust in you.
Maraming salamat mga kaibigan, at saka sa gabing ito, ang tong kaibigan ninyo, I hope and I believe that God is really our hiding place. Magandang gabi, Jonas Macalaguing po lamang.
Be with us again next week at the same time with Jonas Macalaguing and Filipino Bulletin.